sir, I'm HEERANYAA NADARAJA and I'm from DPT 4A. Today I would like to perform on an experiment which is related to chapter 3, which is known as Basic Aseptic Technique in Plant Tissue Culture, and I'm going to perform on the lab report 2, which is known as Sterilization Technique and Aseptic Technique. Let's start to perform. My apparatus and my materials. Here I'm having detergent, distilled water, 70% of the ethanol, 50% of the Clorox, twin 20 solution, isolate, and I'm having a Bunsen burner. This candle we are assuming has a Bunsen burner. Having 2 beakers. This beaker will help us to place our explant. I'm having a chop board. Usually we use a metal chop board for the laminar airflow activities. So I'm replacing this chop board with that. And then I'm having a scalpel, a forceps, and a holder for the scalpel and forceps. And here I'm having 2 containers with the agar, which represent the 2 petri dish with their media culture. And here I'm having a glass jar, which is represent the glass jar that we use for the media for the explant culture. And this straw I'm represent as a dropper. Our explant material for this experiment are carrot and the shoot of the plant. Now we are going to cut the carrot about 3 inches of length into 2 pieces. This is our explant. Now we are going to take out all the leaves from this plant, and we are only taking the shoot, about 3 centimeters of the shoot of this plant for our explant culture. We can take any kind of plants for this experiment. So here we go. We're going to take about 3 centimeters of this. Placing the explants into the beaker. Now we are going to pour some detergent into the beaker. Now we are going to on the tap water. To keep the explant to be rinsed. Let's keep like this for 15 minutes. We need to switch on the UV light of the laminar airflow cabinet for 15 minutes before the actual use. After 15 minutes of switching on the UV light of this laminar airflow cabinet, we will switch off the UV light of this laminar airflow cabinet, and then now we are going to wipe the laminar airflow cabinet using 70% of the ethanol. So this is a sterilization process to reduce the risk of the contamination of the outcome of this experiment. Wiping the cabinet with the 70% of ethanol, we are going to use the same 70% of the ethanol for us to wipe our hands. To light on the Bunsen burner. So this candle we are assuming has a Bunsen burner. Now we are going to soak the explants with 70% of the ethanol, for 1 minute. In between the 1 minute, we have to shake the beaker. And then now I'm going to pour some isolene into the beaker to sterilize the explant. We're going to pour the excess water, the excess alcohol. And then now we are going to pour about 50% of Clorox into the beaker with the explant. I'm going to pour a few drops of Twin 20 solution into the beaker. We're going to pour the distilled water into the beaker. So the explant should be rinsed with the distilled water for 3 times to clean the Clorox solution inside the explant.